What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you the trick to get the Canva Pro for free. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can visit this exam first, and you can also do the register down here if you don't have the account before, or if you have already had it. So you can start to put your email and also password and do the sign in, and after that it will direct you into this section, which is this exam will create you the another email account, and you can start to copy this made email. You can copy it, and also you can open the Canva like this, and after that you can continue to click continue with email and put your copied email before. You can click continue, and the next step is that this Canva will require you to put the code over here. So don't worry, because this exam will also create you the code to get into the Canva. So you can copy the latest code over here, give it a copy, and you can go back to the login process over here, and after that you can start to do the login, and voila, this will be the Canva account that you can use to have the premium or the pro version in Canva, and you can start to do anything in Canva, such as create the design or also create the advertisement over here. So if I would like to preview or review again about the step, so basically you can visit this exam first and do the login or the register, and after that this exam will create you the another email account like this email account, and you can copy it, and you can open the official website of Canva, and you can simply follow this section. You can choose the continue with email and log in with the code, and after that you can choose this or select this website to get the 6 digit of the verification code, which is like this, and you can start to copy the latest of the code itself, and after that you can go back to the login process of Canva, and you will have the chance to have the premium or the pro version of Canva. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.